channel, and today we're going to talk about one particular product. So I'm going to just discuss something about it, and this is the Yves Rocher Micellar cleansing water, and I'm very sure I'm going to finish it off within a couple of weeks or less than that, because hardly anything is left. So before I finished it, I really wanted to discuss about this product with you. Okay, so basically this I got from Nykaa, and this is in the luxury section. Luxury means I think it's the high-end makeup and skincare that they sell, and my luxury points were actually included. Like, you know, they had this scheme going on, like if you buy certain things from the luxury section you get something. So this was counted, and this is for 850 rupees. That's kind of expensive when it comes to a micellar water. I have not tried the really famous L'Oreal one. I know everybody swears by it, but I really want to try. So maybe after I finish this, I'm going to substitute my micellar with L'Oreal. But let's talk about this. So basically there's a big difference between micellar waters and cleansing waters, and this particular product claims to be a micellar cleansing water. Cleansing as well as micellar waters are used for similar purposes, that is to cleanse and just clean and detoxify our skin at the end of the day, and they're pretty much similar in nature, but they are not the same thing. When it comes to micellar waters, it contains oily micelles, and what they do is that they detoxify your skin completely, and when you use them on your skin, all the dirt, everything is attracted by those micelles in the micellar water. It works like a magnet in attracting all the dirt when you use it onto your skin, and especially when you use it with a cotton ball or any facial wipe, and as it's obviously recommended. Coming back to the cleansing water, it's just a purified H2O. H2O means water. It also has a cleansing property, but then it's not as strong as the oily micelles. To heavy makeup, if you are like me and you wear makeup, you love makeup, by end of the day, it's always important to completely remove everything off of your face, and that's when micellar water comes to rescue. Cleansing water can be used by everyone, whether you have makeup or not, but if you have so much of makeup, like pancaked, full glam makeup, a cleanser or cleansing water is not going to help you in removing all the makeup. Micellar does the job better. So coming to micellar water, it may include fruit extracts, essential oils, and everything that is similar to a toner, but it might not be as helpful in removing all the toxin materials and everything off of your face. So it's always advisable to use a cleansing water when you wake up in the morning, or like you're going back to bed on a chill day when you don't have so much on your face, because your face needs something really powerful, something like the oily micelles to remove all the toxic materials off of your face. And if you guys have used a micellar water, you might be noticing that it's a bit oily in nature, and it does feel like after you use it, it does feel like you have something on your face, whereas the cleansing water doesn't really feel like you have something. Like when you use it, it's like you just washed your face. It's the similar feeling. But when it comes to micellar water, you might be feeling like you have a little bit oily or some glow on your face, and that's exactly what the difference is. It has the oily micelles, hence the name micellar water. So it actually removes everything, and then the oily micelles are like on your face, and they just clean your skin and pores thoroughly. Okay, so coming back to Yves Rocher, this is both micellar as well as cleansing water, and it can be used on face, eyes and lips. And what they advise is to apply this particular thing every morning and evening with a cotton bag to face, lips and eyes. No rinsing is necessary, of course, because duh. And what they claim is that you will have a skin that breathes again, as if it's revitalized. Do I agree with this is the question. Yes, kind of no, because honestly, I don't use this in the morning. I don't see the reason to use it in the morning, because the moment I wake up, the only thing that I use is either the the McCaffeine face wash or the scrub, and I do not advise you to use the scrub on daily basis, so that's why I tend to use it like once or twice a week. Birds, I'm always using a moisturizer, so morning time I don't think this is that advisable according to me. Okay, so after I come home with full face of makeup at night, I really want to get it off of my face, and the only way to do is not to directly go and wash your face with a face wash. It's a complete no. What you can do is use any micellar water, and after that you use a toner or cleanser or whatever. But then it's always advisable to use some kind of a facial oil. But if you're using a micellar water, it has the oil extracts, it has the oily micelles in it already, so the facial oil can be eliminated if you want. When it comes to removing makeup, it's never going to be 100% removed from your face. There will be some residue left, so using 2-3 different kind of products is always advisable. But then there are days when you don't feel like, and that's just there. We really can't help about that. But then it's always advisable to remove your makeup before you sleep. When I use this, the makeup is not very easy to come off. I wouldn't say that there is any makeup remover that removes 100% makeup, but then it's a bit difficult because how much ever I use this, I just find myself using a lot of this product and nothing is happening really, because I'll take a face wipe and or a cotton pad, and I'll have some of this on that, and I'll just try to wipe my face off, and I will do the same thing again, and turns out I have so much of product left again. Like 2-3 times I do the same thing and I see that it's not really working out, and I also use those makeup removing wipes after that, and then it becomes a little bit effective maybe. But then the makeup removing the makeup removing power is not that high, and I don't think this actually claims to do so. So I also use it at night before going to bed, even if I'm not wearing makeup, because I just feel like I feel a little bit refreshed, and it just feels good. So when I use this, whether I'm wearing makeup or not, it does give me that oily finish to my skin, if you know, if you get what I mean. It does feel like I have some kind of a moisturizer on, which is really hydrating because of the oily micelles. And when I sleep and I wake up, I did realize that when I use this, my skin is a little bit like hydrated as opposed to the otherwise dry skin of mine. It doesn't really do much for the soft suppleness or glow or radiance, but it does leave you a little bit hydrated. Really important thing, be careful when you use it for your eyes. It does mention that it's for your eyes as well. They don't claim to be a makeup removing product, but then still they have written that face, lips and eyes you can use on these areas. But if you get it near your eyes, it's going to burn like hell. I tried doing that, and like I had so much of eye makeup and I wanted to remove it, and my eyes were burning like anything. So if you're doing that, you just have to be really careful to not to get it anywhere near your eyes. Like in the lid area and everything is fine, but don't try to remove your mascara or your eyeliner with this, because it's going to be like it's going to be too much and you are going to have a teary night ahead. So don't do that. And I think this removes lipstick really easily. I didn't have any problem with that part, but yes, foundation was a bit problem. The question is, will I repurchase this? Well, I don't think so. I'm not going to. See, I don't hate this product. No. Don't get me wrong. The thing is, I will always try to reach out to different products. I really want to try different products. So I don't really hate this product. It doesn't really get the job done, but then I am not going to throw this as well. Like I did hold on to it for like over a year now. It's been an year, I guess, since I got this, and it's still there. So that's good. But it's way too expensive, and it doesn't really does the job amazingly. It says that you can use it for your eyes, but then I really can't remove mascara or eyeliner with this, and it's just alright when I'm not having a makeup. So I think this is much of a cleanser or cleansing water than a micellar water. Even though they say that it's a micellar cleansing water, I don't think okay, it does give me the oily finish, but then the job done is not water cleansing water, but the job that it does is not of a micellar water, even though it appears to be like one. You get my point, right? So as I said, I don't hate this product. If I hated the product, I would be making a completely new video about it. If you want to know what I do with the products that I hate, you can check out the video over there. You will know what I do with the products I hate. Anyways, so yes guys, this is what I think of this micellar cleansing water. If you guys have used it, let me know, and if you guys have any idea about this brand Yves Rocher, let me know, because I don't know anything about this. It says that it's some luxury product, but I don't know. It's made in France, so it actually smells like green apple. I don't know why, I feel like it smells like green apple. Anyways, so guys, the Valentine's Day is just around the corner, and I just filmed a video, and if you haven't checked it out, I would love it if you did. I will link the video over here as well. Let me know. And if you randomly came across my channel because you were so interested about Yves Rocher, please check out my other videos if you haven't already. Please subscribe. If it'll really help me out, honestly. And please thumbs up if you like this video, and please leave any questions or any concerns that you have regarding any kind of product. I'll try to answer them, and I'll see you guys really soon in my next one. Alright, bye.